Hello my beloved cat fanatics, it's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, this is a very special video for me. So come join me as I make this video in celebration of the monetization of my YouTube channel. So we are actually here right now in West Seattle. So we are gonna go have a picnic and just enjoy the view and have fun. So stay tuned. Guys, mga unta, mga antayon, let's eat here in Seattle.
Dapat yung ano mo dito yung
One of the good things here in Seattle is that everything is pretty much accessible. There's a lot of people that want to walk or ride their bicycle instead of riding the car for transportation. So anywhere you look around in this place, marami kayong nakikita na mga scooters or bicycles for rent. So you can stroll and magmuni-muni at mag-enjoy. And at the same time, hindi na masyado nakakapagod kasi kung gustuhin mong maglakad, talagang kaya mo naman maglalakad at maglalakad ka dito. But there are a lot of people that would rent the motorized scooter and yung bicycle. So right now, I think the bicycle is doon pa sa kabila. But they have stations. So tulad nito, yan. They just leave those all over the place. But yun nga tinatanong ko kanina sa kasamahan ko, buti hindi yan nananakaw. But they actually have a security thing on that na hindi mo siya basta-basta mapapaandar or mananakaw. And everything I believe is through the app, or you're gonna pay for using your credit card, and then magcha-charge lang siya as you go. But I saw one earlier na gumamit siya ng scooter, tapos meron yata siyang nilagpasan na area or something. Either nag-stop yung scooter or nag-alarm. So may ganun siya na feature, which is very nice. So sana may ganyan din sa Pinas, no? Kasi ang dami talagang naglalakad. And if they can rent a scooter, they can drop it off anywhere kung kailan tapos na yung time ng binayaran nila, and nobody will steal it and stuff like that. That would be great. So ayun, dito lang tayo, lalakad-lakad, enjoy. So yung weather dito kanina habang kumakain kami, nagbabago-bago. So from sunny biglang nagiging cloudy, tapos sunny ulit, and then cloudy ulit. But it's still a nice thing to right now kasi it's not raining, so we can't complain. We're still outside and enjoying everything here in Seattle. So yun. So cloudy siya, talagang natatabunan si Haring Araw. Asan si Haring Araw? Somewhere there. And it's a little breezy. So guys, dito din, kahit saan ka pumunta, marami kang makikita ng mga wild berries. Pero, of course, they're edible. So, tulad nito, nandito tayo ngayon sa docking area ng mga maliliit na bangka. Kita nyo tong tanim na to. This is actually a raspberry vine. Vine ba tawag nito? Kasi gumagapang eh. So, ito yung prutas. Yan pa yung hilaw pa. Hindi pa pwede. Tsaka later on, nagiging ganon siya. Yan. Iba yung kulay. Yan yung mga binibenta sa mga market dito na nakabalot na. But here in Seattle, you can just walk around and pick and eat. Yan. Puro yan, raspberry. Guys, we are back and we are here at Alki Beach in Seattle, Washington. So ayan, it looks like California. The beach. So let's walk around kung makakapaglakad tayo at lumulubog yung paa natin sa buhangin. The struggle is real. My God. So that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and sana ay nag-enjoy din kayo sa mini virtual tour na ginawa ko para sa inyo for this video here in Seattle. And celebration na rin po ng pagkaka-monetize nitong YouTube channel ko. So, thank you so much for all the support and all the people that are watching my videos, and also sa mga tao din na nag-subscribe. Sa mga di pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell button para naman notified kayo sa mga bago kong ina-upload na mga vlogs. And of course, for those people na kilalang kilala po ako at alam nila yung reason kung bakit ako gumawa nitong YouTube channel, hopefully now mas mai-excite pa sila dahil alam po nila kung ano yung talagang rason ko kung bakit ako gumawa nitong YouTube channel, at mas marami pa po tayong matutulungan ng mga kababayan natin, lalo na sa mga tao na nandun sa mga remote areas na hindi naaabutan ng tulong ng gobyerno. So yun po, sana tuloy-tuloy ang paglago ng mga YouTube channels natin, at at the same time magagamit po natin yung kita natin sa tamang paraan. So yun po guys, thank you so much for watching. Please follow me as well on Facebook. My Facebook page is Bisayang Ilocana, together with my Instagram page, it's also Bisayang Ilocana. So yun po, again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose, and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!